Today is Fish Fry Friday, and we have you covered with the best local fish fries across the tri-state. We sent 9 on Your Side reporter Allie Kramer into Covington this morning. She is in the kitchen this morning at Prince of Peace Montessori. Allie, what are they serving this year?
Hey, good morning, Chris. It smells amazing in here. The fact that they're already got things fired up. These ladies are running around like crazy trying to get it all put together. Lena and Megan are with us this morning, and we have to talk a little bit first about the fish batter. Megan, tell me what goes into this first.
We have Braxton beer, and here are our spices. We have sea salt, cumin, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder.
Okay, and you guys just use a flour base for it, not that cornmeal.
No cornmeal, flour based.
Okay, and Lena, talk to me a little bit about what's new this year. It's not just fish sandwiches this year at all.
We have fish tacos this year. It is 2 pieces of, it's 2 tacos, and it comes with a homemade sauce from Frida 602 in the main Strauss. It's a lime citrus aioli.
Okay, and you guys really talked a lot about, you know, just how local everything is this year. It's all coming from places right here in Covington.
Yes, our mac and cheese is by Walt's Hitching Post. We also have pizza by Riverfront Pizza. We have green beans with Walt's Hitching Post as well.
This, you guys, we talked a little bit about how local it all is. They make the coleslaw right here. And so she said, you know, Walt's Hitching Post does the mac and cheese. They don't exactly do the mac and cheese. They have shared their secret recipe with them. Do you guys see it being scooped out here? And they make it here themselves. So it's all still homemade. And that's that aioli that she was talking about. So here's all the fixings that you get for those fish tacos, and you can kind of, you know, make them however you want. This is all fresh cod. I mean, you've got your little shrimp nibblers here. That's what I call them, at least. And it's all being made. They'll be here, oh, what about 2 o'clock this afternoon, starting to get things going?
Yes.
And we also needed to mention your beer selection, because Catherine Nero told me that it is the best in town. You guys come back out live here for us. Talk to me a little bit about what you've got.
We have Braxton and West 6, which are both local breweries. We also have live entertainment from 5 to 8. We have Tyler Moore tonight, he's pretty well known in this region.
All right. How many people do you think are going to come through tonight?
We're hoping a lot. I think maybe Zac Efron might be here too.
I'm there. I'm there.
Did you hear that?
Say no more.
I think, you know what, if he's not watching this morning, we start sending these pictures, he might just stop by. Of course, Catherine, you've been here. You love this one.
I do.
They are in our top 9 fish fries here at WCPO. So it's going to be incredible. I mean, the food tastes so good. We're going to show you a little more behind the scenes on what it takes to make all of it. We're going to head over. So check out Facebook Live here in just a few minutes.
Allie, thank you. That's a game